Hello everyone, I am Mrs. S Zunjarwad, Assistant Professor of Communication Skills, Department of Humanities and Sciences, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. In today's my session, I am going to discuss about very important topic, reading comprehension. For the sake of convenience, I have distributed this topic into two parts. So at the end of this session, student will be able to read, understand and answer the questions based on given passage. Introduction. Some people think of the act of reading as a straightforward task that's easy to master. In reality, reading is a complex process that draws on many different skills. Together, these skills lead to the ultimate goal of reading comprehension, or understanding what's been read. So let us first discuss why reading is an important communication skill in our life. Take a pause, think about this question and try to give the answer. So let us see in which areas of our lives is reading important. The first thing, it helps you to discover new things by enabling you to educate yourself in any area of life you are interested in and to do your own research and thinking. It helps to develop the mind and imagination and the creative side of a person. Even it helps to improve communication, both written and spoken. So, what is actually reading comprehension? So, comprehension is an interactive process that occurs not only while a student is reading the text but afterwards as well. It consists of the ability to make inferences from a passage and use critical thinking skills to answer questions related to the text. Comprehension skills must be taught and reinforced over an extended period of time to ensure that you can master reading comprehension. Reading comprehension can be challenging for lots of reasons. Whatever the cause, knowing the skills involved and which ones you struggle with can help you get the right support. Now, see, here are some of the essential skills needed for reading comprehension and tips to improve your skills. So, the first one is decoding. Decoding is a vital step in the reading process. The ability to do that is foundation for other reading skills. Decoding relies on an early language skill called phonemic awareness. So, build phonological awareness through activities like word games. The next one is fluency. Fluency speeds up the rate at which we can read and understand text. Reading fluency is essential for good reading comprehension. The main way to help build fluency is through practice reading books. It's important to pick out books that are at the right level of difficulty. The next is vocabulary. To understand what you are reading, you need to understand most of the words in the text. Having a strong vocabulary is a key component of reading comprehension. So, to improve your vocabulary, you can help to build your vocabulary by having frequent conversations on a variety of topics. So, try to include new words and ideas. And telling jokes and playing word games is a fun way to build this skill. The next one is sentence construction and cohesion. Understanding how sentences are built might seem like a writing skill. So, might connecting ideas within and between sentences, which is called cohesion. But these skills are important for reading comprehension as well. So, explicit instruction can teach the basics of sentence construction. For example, teachers can work with students on connecting two or more thoughts through both writing and reading. The next one is reasoning and background knowledge. It's important to have background or prior knowledge about the world when you read. It is also needed to be able to read between the lines and pull out meaning even when it's not literally spelled out. You can build knowledge through reading conversations, movies and TV shows, and art. Life experience and hands-on activities also build knowledge. Then working memory and attention. These two skills are both part of groups of abilities known as executive function. They are different but closely related. When you read, attention allows them to take in information from the text. Working memory allows you to hold on to that information and use it to gain meaning and build knowledge from what they are reading. There are a number of games and everyday activities that can build working memory. So, key takeaways: decoding, fluency, and vocabulary skills are key to reading comprehension. Being able to connect ideas within and between sentences helps kids understand the whole text. Reading aloud and talking about experiences can help build reading skills. So, let us see some of the strategies of reading comprehension. So, strategies to aid reading comprehension skills. So, the first strategy is reading with a purpose. The second one is learning vocabulary. The third one is retelling what has been read. The next one is asking and answering questions. And the last one is summarizing the important facts. So, let us see some of the common mistakes whenever we solve the question reading comprehension. The first mistake is that skimming. In real life, skimming don't really applies to reading books, newspapers, websites, etc. But in most of the exams, we have scarcity of time. So, we need to pacify our reading speed with accuracy in terms of drawing the correct meaning of the passage. The second one is time allocation. We know that most competitive exams are time bound. There is a fixed time allocated to solve the question paper. So, time management becomes very important. Third one is faulty comprehension. When in hurry, sometimes we may interpret wrong meaning of the reading comprehension. This may lead to choosing incorrect answers. So, it is always important to remember that not only speed but also accuracy plays a huge role in the success of solving a reading comprehension question. So, the conclusion: students with well developed comprehension skills are able to understand both the main idea and the details of any given text, and they are able to identify the different components of the text as well. This is the reference which I have used to make my PPT. Go through the reference. Thank you.